Hey, my name is Chris Melnyk, the Financial Services Department here at Orangeville Chrysler. I started in November of 2016. Been in the business since November of 2000. I have lots of experience in this business, from general manager to sales manager and also business manager. I have a family of 5, 3 wonderful young kids. I enjoy coming to work every day. I've noticed that this business has completely changed. I was out of the business for a couple years, and I just got back into it back in November of 2016. And the one thing I did is I had choices to come back to, and I could have come back as other things in the business, but I fell back into the business office. Why? The $1,000,000 question is why? Well, I love people. I don't like selling cars. I'm not a car person, but I love dealing with the people. And my experience is to make this whole buying process easy right from start to finish. So there's a lot of stuff that I'm going to help you with, and we'll try to streamline everything, make it easy, and make it painless, not painful, painless, and most important, have fun. So the day you pick up your car is supposed to be the shortest time that you spend with me at all. So, anywho. If you have any questions, please feel free, drop in, give me a call, have a coffee. Be more than happy to help you out.